Okay, today is February 16th, 2025. I'm actually making a new dough today with the new ingredients. Okay, today I'm going to be making a dough. It's going to be a generic dough, but I added a corn flour. Okay, because before everything is all-purpose flour. Okay, so what I have here right now, I'm going to show you. What I have on this bowl right now, it's 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of corn flour. Okay, that is the difference here. Out of all the doughs that I made for the lavash or non-bread dough, tortilla wrap dough, and empanada dough, those do not consist or do not have a corn flour. So this has a corn flour. Okay, as you can see, that's kind of the yellowish flour right there. That's the corn flour. So what I have here is 2 cups all-purpose flour and 1 cup of corn flour. Okay, all my doughs before, I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, all right, let me mix this right now. Okay, using my hand again, like from the previous dough that I created. I can use a spatula, but I prefer this traditional way of mixing. No machine, no spatula, just hands. Right? So like I said earlier, this is 1 cup of corn flour and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And also what I have here is 1 teaspoon of salt, iodized salt, okay? Because before I use Himalayan pink salt. And also I have 1 egg yolk here, and also I added 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I did not add baking powder from the 1 teaspoon, not tablespoon, of baking powder. I did not add baking powder on the other dough that I created before. So this is what makes this dough different out of all the doughs that I created. Okay. All right. As you can see it here, my dough is wet. Okay. It's fully mixed now, as you can see it here. All right. It's fully mixed. Okay. This is the very traditional way to mix dough. Just by hand, no spatula, no machine, mixing it, just my hand and my fingers. So this dough is ready to go. Okay? All right? All right. I'm done mixing my corn and flour, all-purpose flour and dough here. What I'm trying to do right now, I'm just letting it sit for about 20 minutes. All right. Okay. As you can see it here, this is my first tortilla wrap using the corn flour. Okay. All right. You can see it there. Okay. This is the first one. This is just a sample right now. If this wrap turn out to be okay, tortilla wrap, then I'll do the same process using the corn flour. Okay. All right. This is the first tortilla wrap right here. Turned out to be okay with the corn flour. Okay. That's the first one. All right. This is my second tortilla wrap right here. This one is. So this is my tortilla wrap making right here using the corn flour. Okay. All right. I got a copy of the tortillas here. Oh, I have all the tortilla here. The flour. I have 1 cup of what? 1 cup of corn flour. This is the results of that flour right here. You see, when I made my first tortilla wrap, it's all white. Now you can see it's a little bit yellowish. Right? Okay. Let me see. The color is a little bit different. It's not white. It's yellowish. Okay.